Come make we bake some chicken. So this is the chicken that I have. I already defrosted, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it and wash it with some vinegar. I already used part from it, so that's fine. Somebody can teach me to cut chicken. Guys, I know this chicken did not cut properly, but it's okay for now. Remove the skin, this stuff. I'm just gonna cut it in like this. Cut it down. So what I normally do once I finish cut my meat, these skin that remain, I normally freeze it until I'm ready to trash it because the bin is outside. So I'm just gonna put it in this. If I don't trash it same time, I freeze it because I don't want to put it in the bin that you have, or if you have a decomposable bin that you know that you're gonna trash it after, right away you can definitely put it in there. But yeah, I normally freeze this and then trash it after. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my chicken. So I have some vinegar here. I'm just gonna pour it over it. You can use lime or you can use both vinegar and lime, but I'm just using vinegar. Ensure that you wash your chicken properly, guys. You know, sometimes chicken have powder or these slimy stuff, so you want to get it off. I normally wash it twice. So I wash it with vinegar and then I wash it with plain water. I don't know if that is a thing, but that's what I normally do. Some people leave it on it, but for me, I normally wash it twice. So I'm just going to use the paper towel to dry it because I want my season to stick to my meat properly. I'm just drying some of the water from it. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and season my meat, and by now you should know how the season that I use. Nothing special. So I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, cayenne pepper, some cumin. I have gravy browning. You can use soy sauce or whatever you prefer. I have some all-purpose seasoned salt and Caribbean spice. So start off with my all-purpose season. Don't add too much to your meat, okay? About a teaspoon. I'm gonna add the cayenne pepper, just like that. Then I'm gonna add cumin. Not a lot, guys. Normally I don't add salt to my meat, but I'm just gonna add a little bit, not a lot, because you know the season already have salt, so ensure that you don't have too much salt to your meats. Then Caribbean spice. This is a blend of everything. It have pimento, everything in it. So yeah, Caribbean spice. Then this is I need to put this in a container. Garlic powder. I love use a lot of garlic because you know garlic is good for you. Even though I rather the natural one, because you know they put preservatives and everything in this season. Then onion powder. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add browning. Ensure that you don't add a lot of browning, guys. Remember, this browning is very dark in color, and I don't like when my meat is black. Okay, so I'm gonna add some. It's taking so long to come down. Okay, there we go. Add browning. I think I do this a lot, so I just eyeball it, as Jamaica would say. Eyeball how much season you put, how much of this you put, and that. Yes, we don't do measurement for some reason. I don't know why, but I guess some Jamaica do measurements. Depending on what you're making, like if you make baking or stuff like that, you know that you have to have the accurate measurement. But for meat or any other thing, we normally just put season until our ancestors say, okay, that's enough. Alright, so my ancestors said that's enough browning, I guess. Let's see how that works. So once I put the browning, I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies. So here I have some tomato, some garlic, and I have a lot of garlic. Even though I had garlic powder already, I want more garlic. This is sweet pepper, this is hot pepper, and of course I put everything because I want it spicy. This is thyme, ginger. Ginger is very good, it gives it a nice flavor. Onion, I have carrot, and I have scallion or green onion, whatever you call it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything in there, just like that. I think this container is too small for mixing, but let's work with it. And then you just mix it. You can use your hand or you can use a spoon, but me, I rather use a spoon because I don't like feeling it on my hand. But I think probably I need to use my hand, maybe. Yes, I think I need to use my hand. So I'm just gonna wash my hand and use my hand. Okay, so I wash my hands. And I'm just going to use my hand and season it like this. See, I had enough browning. And if you don't have browning, you can use soy sauce, as I said before. You want to season it properly. Yep. You want that good flavor from all the season. So ensure that you're digging it. You can wear gloves. Season it if you don't want to get your hand messed like mine. I hate this, but yeah. So once I season it, I'm just gonna allow it to marinate for about 2 hours before I start preparing. So it's 2 minutes to 1 p.m. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven at 350. Yes. So start. Preheat it. Okay, so here is the marinated chicken, and this is the container that I'm gonna put it in. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some vegetable oil. It's best to use olive oil, guys, but I don't have any right now, so I'm just gonna use what I have. Olive oil. I'm just gonna use my hand. That's fine. Brush it because I don't want it stick. Yep, with my hand just like that. This is the chicken. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and place my chicken in my baking tray, just like that. I'm putting everything in there, season everything, just like this. Look at that. Looking so good already, and it don't start cooking. Right, this thing. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna put everything in there, just like that. Just like that. I'm just gonna add a little water to this to help remove some of the season. Like this amount. Shake it well, or spin it, whichever, and pour it over it just like that. Just like that. So I'm just gonna wait until my oven is preheated, then I'm gonna go ahead and place my chicken in there. And I'm gonna do this uncovered. Okay, so now it's time to put my chicken in the oven. Let us go ahead and do so. I'm going to put it here. Just like that. And I'm going to cook it in the oven for 30 minutes and remove it. And then I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce to add it to the chicken. Okay guys, so it's now 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove the chicken from the oven to get some of the sauce from it. It is smelling so good, honestly. So you have to be careful with this process because it will burn you. So this is how it's looking. Just gonna remove it. Close. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove some of this liquid. Here it is. So once I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the chicken over on the next side. I'm just gonna flip them just like that. I'm gonna put some of the tomato and stuff in this as well. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes or less while I, well, 5 to 10 minutes while I make my sauce to pour over it. But this is vegetable oil, not a lot. I'm gonna use some ginger. Ginger give it a nice taste. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, guys, and pour in the liquid here, all of it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some ketchup, not a lot, don't want too much. And this is brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you don't have any brown sugar. Also, you can use barbecue sauce. That is optional. It's all up to you. This is how it is looking, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my sauce over my chicken. And as you can see, it's not a lot of grease. Exactly what I want. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my sauce over it. You can use a brush or whatever I want you to see it. So here it is. I'm just gonna pour the sauce over it like that. Ooh, be careful. Use a brush. Let me do this. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. You don't want it to stay in there too long. I'm gonna put it on the top this time, just like that. You have to be careful, guys. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want it burned. Okay, guys, so now it's time to remove the chicken from the oven. Let us go ahead and look at our creation. Right, so I'm gonna remove it, and I'm trying to be very careful. Look at this. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. It smells so good, so good. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Who wants some? You can definitely come for a plate. All right, so the oven is off. And yeah, let me bring the camera a little closer so you can see it. Too far. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, it is smelling so good, guys. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video whenever I post. And I must say thank God to my, what should I say, there's so much person that was a part of my life, you know. Thank God for my mom, of course, my aunt, my grandmother, of course. They have taught me so much skills of how to clean, how to cook and stuff like that. I am indeed grateful. Look at my baked chicken. Tell me you don't want a piece. Anyway, have a great day whenever you're watching this, wherever you're watching this from. Let me know in the comments, and have a great day. Bye, guys.